I'm not even close.
Okay, here you go. Ah. You know, I'm an endangered species, man. They're like the last of the buffalo. You know? And like a lot of people thought I was dead, but hey, you know, you don't write any postcards when you're on the road to self-discovery. I mean, the journey to enlightenment's a long trip, and you know, that's the way it is, you know? I mean, you just keep going further and further, deeper and deeper into higher and higher realms of consciousness. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I think so. Yes, sir.
Well, you've been there too, huh?
I think so, sir.
Of course he has. Look at his eyes. You know, I just don't pick up anybody hitchhiking.
Yeah. Yeah.
I have been completely reborn. I am a new man. I've been to outer regions. And I've walked with the king. You dig it? I have walked with the king. I've stood on the mountain. I saw all the earth, man.
It's all over myself here.
You know, and he talked back, man. He talked back, he said, it's all right, man. It's all right. We're all right.
Well, this is all good news. Very comforting. This is empty.
I think I'd like to get out pretty soon.
Oh. You don't want to get out around here.
No, hey, we're your friends. Relax.
Laszlo. You may have been wrong about him. He may not fit in.
How much do you think he knows?
Enough to put us in personal danger.